Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make tuna cakes. I made a video like this a long time ago, so I'll go ahead and link it below if you're interested. And we're going to start by cracking one egg in slow motion and whisking it in slow motion. What this egg is going to do is act as a binder for our tuna cakes. Then we're going to add a can of tuna, whatever your favorite kind of tuna is. And then I'm going to add this lime chili spice by High Road Chef Shop. I'll go ahead and put some links below if you're interested in purchasing that. Then we're going to take whatever your favorite kind of chips are, and we're going to crush them up with our hands and add them to this tuna mixture. We're going to do 2 handfuls of that. If you have big hands, then 1 handful. Then we're going to go ahead and incorporate all that together and form 2 cakes out of that. I got 2 out of this. You can make tuna balls if you want, or 1 giant tuna cake. We're going to add it to a pan of oil, which is on about medium heat. I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip it, cook it for another 3 minutes, and then flip it. And there you have it. So you can go ahead and eat it like that, put it with some bread, anything. But I thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.